This is part 2 of Chicago Style, where I'm going to make one hell of a double cheeseburger. You're watching Cooking with Chris, the YouTube channel where I show you some of my favorite recipes. Subscribe now and click the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Welcome to part 2 of Chicago Style. If you haven't watched part 1, well, you need to. In part 1, I made Chi Town Pico, which is a relish that we're using for this cheeseburger. And not just any cheeseburger. I'm recreating the Comiskey Burger, one of my favorite ballpark foods served at Guaranteed Rate Field, home of the Chicago White Sox. Comiskey being Charles Comiskey, the founding owner of the White Sox. I missed going to the games this year since it's 2020 and, well, pandemic. So I decided to try and recreate it at home. Back to the Chi Town Pico, which again, part 1, go watch it, is basically the ingredients for a Chicago-style hot dog made into a relish, or pico. So once you've made the Chi Town Pico, all you need are some brioche buns, burger patties, the thin ones, mustard, the pico of course, and cheese, but not just any cheese, cold-packed cheese. Yeah, like the stuff you spread on a Ritz cracker. This stuff most probably buy around the holidays. I mean, that's when I usually do, but not anymore. I make sure I have this for the grilling season because this stuff adds a powerful cheese punch to burgers. Do you put this cheese on anything besides a cracker? I mean, have you ever tried it on a burger or put it on something else? Let me know down in the comments. Just make sure you go with a sharp cheddar. So grill up your burgers, buns too, give them a nice toast, and assemble. Make sure the cheese is not super cold or it won't melt as easy. So, bottom bun, burger patty number 1, a scoop of your cheese, burger patty number 2, some Chi Town Pico, again, made it in part 1, did you watch it yet? A swirl of mustard, then the top bun with another spread of the cheese. Then there it is, in all its glory. My version of the Comiskey Burger. Even if you aren't a fan of the White Sox, or baseball, or Chicago-style hot dog, this burger may change one of those things. It is definitely one tasty burger indeed. Thanks for watching this 2-part series on Cooking with Chris. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video and give me a follow on Twitter too. I do some food news, updates on videos, and other food-related things over there too, so check me out. Cook_with Chris. More recipes coming soon. Stay safe.